Good afternoon friends, this is Rajesh. Today I am going to teach how to create a new user in our Oracle database and what are the privileges are needed. First of all, open the developer tool. What I already explained in my last video and log into sysadmin. I have created a database RAJDB in sysadmin. We want to log in. Now we are going to see how to create an user creations. Syntax is create username identified by password. For example, I will explain how to create a user. Create username. For my username, creating Raji RAJEE and identified by password. Password that is same as my username. Now we are going to create user. Now user has been created. First of all, we want to log in as user. For this username, password same as my username, my database name. For the user privileges, you need to log in as connect name as normal. Yeah, there is an user create session privileges. You need to log in the Raji. You need to create session privileges. Create session privileges. Syntax is grant create session to username. For example, you need to create grant create session to our username. What you have created. My username is RAJEE. Now creating the session. Yeah, my grant completed. I'm going to login. Raji. RAJEE and normal. Yes, my username has been created. Now we are going to create table. Create table name. Employees. EMP ID. Varchar 2 of 10. EMP name. Varchar 2 of 25. EMP date of birth. I'm giving the data type as date and EMP designation. Error 2 was 10. Okay, now I'm going to create my table. In this session, I want to explain how to give the privileges to create a table in our user. Inception privileges. Go to sysadmin. Grant table yes. For example, grant create table to my username. My username is RAJ. Yes, grant table and grant completed. Now we can create table. Yes, now we can want to create table users. In user table space, we have already an user table space. Can see administrator. Yeah, first of all, we need to see select privileges to record data files and tables files. In default, you can also see in table space in our sysadmin. Go to sysadmin, database administrator, table spaces. Yeah, there is my table space users. In Raji account, the user table space has been needed. So when we creating the table, we need privileges to access our table space. In further videos, I will explain how to create a table spaces and how to give and what are the uses of table spaces. Now we are going to give the grant privileges to our table spaces. Table space privileges. For example, syntax is grant unlimited table spaces table space to our username. For example, I'm copying this one. Grant unlimited table space to my username. My username is RAJW. Using this one, we can access our table spaces in this user. Now I'm going to create table. Okay. Next one, I'm going to explain how to give the privileges to particular table. To particular table. Syntax is grant insert on employee what have been created, this one employees to my username. For example, I'm copying this one, grant insert on employees to Raji. Yes, we need to give the access in user. Yeah, grant completed. As same as insert update and delete. For giving for each one insert update delete, or you can give all the access in single command, grant all on my table name, that is employees, to my username. My username is Raji, RAJW. Yes, grant completed. Now we are going to see how to use access on creating functions and procedures. For access for giving the user to creating functions and procedures. Syntax is grant execute on my function name. Name to my username. Using this command, we can give the access to user to create functions and procedures. Thank you. In next video, we can see how to revoke all the privileges to the users. Thanks for watching and keep supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.